Alright, y'all, we're doing a little bit different tonight. Came outside looking for something. And look at this. It's a little hard to see. There's a bark hanging from a spider web. We go up here. It's hanging from this. Oh, yeah, let's see if I can get you guys an angle on this thing. This spider is using that piece of bark as the bottom anchor to his spider web. It's like, I don't know, how far up is that? 10 foot, 12 foot up? That guy is right there. And I had never seen anything like that, and thought maybe post a video and see if anybody else had ever seen a spider using a piece of bark as its anchor. That's pretty wild, I thought. Hey? Alright, y'all, we'll catch y'all on the flip side.